All right, welcome to Video Guys News Day Tuesday. Today's pre-show is about the new BirdDog P200 camera, which is now shipping. There's a brand new line of PTZ cameras that are coming from BirdDog. We're very excited. We got our first shipments in. We do have some good news and some bad news. The good news is that we got units in. We're out, but we're expecting more end of this week, early next week. The bad news is that these units have been affected by the Chinese tariffs. So what's happening is these products at a $24.99 price, the price is going to go up to $27.99. But this is the puppy. We're real excited about it. And one of the things I really love about it is unlike other PTZ cameras, this is not NDI HX. It's the full NDI spec. It gives you a Sony CMOS backlit sensor and Sony image module, which is going to give you awesome image quality. It's also got really great mechanics, really great motor, the way it moves. So I want to bring up the camera right now. We're going to show it to you how it moves and how well the motion is. So this is the camera right now, and you'll be able to see it moving also, on the bottom of the screen as Adam moves it. Maybe you want to take down the lower, it's good. Let's show that smooth movement. And now Adam hasn't had a lot of time to work with the product. He's only had it for a couple of hours hooked up, but as you can see, it's very, very smooth and even as the operator, and we're real excited about that. So let's bring the presentation back up. What do you get? You get full NDI with super low latency, 1 frame on NDI output. This is something that, the NDI HX cameras have latency built into them. You can't get around it. They have a little bit of latency. Also, because it's the full NDI, you can put as many of these cameras on as your network can bear. We've seen with NDI HX cameras, which we love, when you get to about over 3, you tend to put too much of a burden on the processor inside the computer that's doing the mixing, be it a TriCaster, vMix, OBS, Wirecast, whatever you're running. So you tend to run into some issues. With the full NDI spec, you don't have to worry. The only thing you need is bandwidth. Next, it's got triple output simultaneously, NDI, SDI, and HDMI all live at the same time. It's BirdDog Comms compatible. Right now we only have them in black. The white option is coming soon. All right, this is the full camera line. If we can bring this up full screen for a second, I want to go over it because all these products are being affected by the tariffs. So the P100, which was going to be $14.99, is going to be $15.99. That's a 10x optical zoom, 2x digital zoom. None of these are shipping yet. They're coming over this summer. The Eyes A200, which is similar specs to the P200, but it's outdoor all-weather. That product was pre-tariff price was $49.95. It's going to go up to $5,295. And the Eyes A300, which is built like a tank for that rugged, outdoors, all-purpose PTZ camera, that one's going up from $64.95 to $7,495. So the Chinese tariffs are affecting the products we sell. We apologize for that, but that's the reality that we live in. The PTZ keyboard that's coming, that's going to be the first NDI keyboard controller. That product is still coming. It's not affected by the tariffs for now. That product's going to be $14.95. So I want to do this quick review on the BirdDog stuff. We have the Avid show coming up shortly. But once again, to reiterate, the BirdDog Eyes P200 in black is now shipping. We shipped out our first units. We're expecting more units in shortly, end of this week, early next week. The price has gone up to $27.99 because of the Chinese tariffs, but you can get those and get your orders in now in order to make sure you get them. They're going to be on tight supply through the summer. We're not getting in 30s, 40s, 50s, 100s. We're getting them a dozen to 2 dozen at a time. So thank you very much for tuning into the pre-show, all about the Video Guys BirdDog P200. Thank you.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.